I'm putting a healthy twist on a classic egg salad by swapping the mayo with Greek yogurt. This not only creates a lightened up egg salad recipe, but it also adds an extra boost of protein, which is perfect for anybody who's working on health, wellness, fitness, and/or weight loss goals. Now, the base for any egg salad is a perfectly cooked hard-boiled egg, and I have shared my technique with you all in the past, but it's worth sharing again because there's nothing more satisfying than a perfectly cooked hard-boiled egg that is also easy to peel. And this is a tip that every healthy home cook should have in their back pocket because hard-boiled eggs are a great head start ingredient to keep in the fridge, and they are a very convenient high-protein snack as well. So here's what you do. You want to take your eggs out of the fridge about 15 minutes before you plan to make them. If the eggs are too cold, they run the risk of cracking when they hit the hot water. So that's why we're going to do that. Then you're going to bring a pot of water up to a boil and then carefully drop the eggs into the pot one at a time, and you can get as many in the pot that will comfortably fit in a single layer. So it really just depends on the size of your pot, but for this recipe, you're going to need 8 hard-boiled eggs. Allow the eggs to cook anywhere from 9 to 12 minutes, depending on how well done you like your eggs. I prefer them right about the 10-minute mark. And then you're just going to transfer them directly into a bowl of ice water where you will let them sit for 10 minutes or so just to cool before peeling. Now, I'm telling you, I've tried so many methods over the years, and this method will not let you down. It creates the most perfectly cooked, easy to peel, hard-boiled eggs every single time. From here, I want to chop my eggs up. Personally, I like them to be a little bit chunkier for this salad, so I usually cut them in half and then I go into thirds and then I go back the other way and into thirds again. If you like your egg salad to be a finer dice, just cut your eggs a little bit smaller. Now, just a quick side note, if you wanted this salad to be even lower in fat while being higher in protein, you could sub in half of the whole eggs for just egg whites, in which case you would sub 2 egg whites for every whole egg. I've made this salad both ways, and both are completely delicious. This is a fantastic option for anybody who's trying to increase their protein intake without increasing their overall daily caloric intake. Then I'm going to prep my veggies. All we need is 1 diced red onion. You just need a couple of tablespoons. I like to dice the onion nice and fine. So I slice the onion in half, I lay it flat side down, and then I create a tic-tac-toe board with my onion. The tighter the tic-tac-toe board, the smaller the dice will be. I'm also going to need a couple tablespoons of diced up celery. So I'm just going to trim off the edges. I like to cut it in half. It makes it easier to work with. Cut the celery into strips and then come back the other way to create a nice fine dice. And then you want to do some fresh herbs. The fresh herbs really help to elevate the egg salad, so don't skip them if you can avoid it, okay? I'm using a couple tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley, but you could do dill, you could do chives, you could do tarragon. They would all be absolutely delicious. Once I'm ready to assemble the salad, I've got all of my eggs chopped and ready to go in the bowl. I'll add in the diced onion, the celery, and the fresh parsley, along with a 1/4 cup of plain 2% Greek yogurt, which is significantly lighter than using mayonnaise in a recipe like this, but it's going to deliver the same creamy, delicious texture. And then I've got a little bit of fresh lemon juice, just a couple of teaspoons, a pinch of sea salt, and a little bit of black pepper to taste. So easy, simple, easy peasy. I'll gently toss all of this together. Bring all of those flavors to just mix, and you're gonna see that you just made yourself the best, most simple, lightened up egg salad recipe that is both delicious and versatile. Now, if you wanted to make this for meal prep, you would just transfer this into an airtight container where it will happily last in your fridge for up to 3 to 4 days. And you can serve this so many different ways. You could enjoy it as it is, just use a spoon, scoop and eat. You could serve it with some crackers or use your crackers to scoop your salad up. Or you could layer it onto a sandwich or an open face sandwich like I have here with some greens or arugula under the base. So delicious. So as always, I'm super excited for you to give this recipe a try. And keep in mind, if you enjoy tuna salad as much as you like egg salad, you're definitely gonna wanna check this video out next because it is a tuna egg salad that is to die for. Okay, I'll see you over there. Cheers.